all going my way. My shoes got soul, got a strut in my walk now. Got a pocket full of sun, won't say won't go down. I'm a winner, I can feel it in the city, yeah. Heavy when I breathe it in. Roll the dice for the 7, hit 11, hit a 7, hit 11 again. I'm all good, got a 4-leaf clover. Y'all cannot go wood. It's my lucky day, 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 my lucky day. 'Cause I know today it's gonna go my way. I can see the sunshine through the rain. It's my lucky day. Na 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 na. Yesterday I got burnt, today I'm so tan. I was late to work on the day my boss slept in. I got an overdraft till this morning I got paid. The devil can't stop me, I woke up feeling sad. I'm a roller on the table in the game, it's the all-time unbeatable head. Heavyweight in the ring, it's the creed, it's the all-time unbeatable man. Hey, I'm all good, got a 4-leaf clover. Y'all cannot go wood. It's my lucky day, my lucky day, my lucky day. It is my lucky day, my lucky day, my lucky day. 'Cause I know today it's gonna go my way. I can see the sunshine through the rain. It's my lucky day. Lucky day. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. I'm all good. Got a 4-leaf clover. I'm all good. Got a 4-leaf clover. Y'all cannot go wood. It's my lucky day. My lucky day. My lucky day. It is my lucky day. My lucky day. My lucky day. 'Cause I know today it's gonna go my way. I can see the sunshine through the rain. It's my lucky day. Can you see the sunshine? My lucky day. My lucky day.
This dance is called Sunshine Through the Rain, choreographed by Amy Glass. It's a 64 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance. There is no tag or restarts in this dance. In this dance, for wall 2, wall 4, and wall 6, when you're facing the back wall, we will change the step for the last 2 sections. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Out, out, back last step. Coaster step, walk, walk. Section 2, forward rock and push your hip forward, angle your body to 9 o'clock, recover, forward rock and push your hip forward. Hip turn left on your left foot and flick your right foot. Walk, walk, forward, lock behind, unwind 3/4 turn left. Now facing 9 o'clock. Section 3, right foot dorsal step to right diagonal, left foot dorsal step to left diagonal. Step forward, pivot hip turn left. 2 camel walk. Walk and pop your left knee. Walk and pop your right knee. Section 4, press forward, recover with a 3. Behind, 1/4 turn left, stepping forward, step forward. Forward, flick behind, back, hook. Shuffle forward. Section 5, kick and side rock recover, kick and side rock recover, cross and cross and cross, pivot 1/4 turn left. Section 6, right foot cross samba, left foot cross samba. Step forward, pivot hip turn left, 2 walk, right, left. Section 7, quarter turn left, stepping to side, close, hold for 3 count. You can pose any arms or hands on this hold. Back, out, out, hold for 3 count. Again, you can pose any arms or hands when you hold. Section 8, ball, step forward, 3 heel bounce with half turn left. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Right foot just bounce. Cross, back, side, forward. Last step. Now let me show you the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last step for wall 1, wall 3, wall 5, and wall 7. Now let me show you the step for wall 2, wall 4, wall 6. Again, we will change the last 2 sections. You will be facing back wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do the last 2 sections. Quarter turn left, stepping to side, close, right hand up, switch your hand, left hand up, right hand up, left hand up. Right foot, sailor step, left foot, sailor step. Last section, step forward, pivot quarter turn left, step forward, pivot quarter turn left. Just bounce, cross, back, side, forward. Now let me count for the last 2 sections. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last for wall 2, wall 4, and wall 6. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.